Welcome once again to Seagull International Weekly Live Session where we discuss exciting recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. I am Jyoti Das Thakkar, AGM at Seagull International, and I am thrilled to be joined by Mr. Dinesh, who is our operation. But before we dive into today's opportunity, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's incredible success stories. For over 40 years, Seagull has been a trusted name in overseas recruitment industry, establishing itself as one of India's largest, most reliable workforce provider. In less than 4 decades, Seagull has been a service provider and we build a reputation of excellence providing a top-tier talent to organizations around the world. As an ISO certified global human resource consultant, Seagull is recognized and approved by Ministry of External Affairs, Government of India, ensuring compliances with highest industry standards and government regulation. While our headquarters is based in Mumbai, we also have our branches in Pan India, which is in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata. We also have our international presence, which is in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. Now, I would like to introduce to our newly job portal, seagalljobsforyou.com. Simply scan the QR code on your screen and land on your dream job. We have expanded our social media presence to make it easier for you to stay connected with us. For connecting with us on Facebook, you can simply scan the QR code on your screen. And in this social media pages, we update our recruitment drive, interview drives we are conducting, the places we specify, mention the positions, what we are hiring, we mention that. So candidate who are interested for an overseas, this is a right platform. You can stay connected on our all social media pages. Next is Telegram. Candidate who are interested to connect with us on Telegram, there is an option. So the process is simple. Just you have to follow the same instructions. Simply scan the QR code on your screen and connect with us on Telegram. Next is on Instagram. So candidate who are interested for connecting us with Instagram. So the process is same. Just scan the QR code on your screen. Seagull Staffing Group is a page where we just keep updating about the domestic requirement. The candidate who are interested to work in Pan India, this is the right platform for you. You can simply scan the QR code in this page. We update on the recruitment drive, positions we are hiring for, everything on this page. So let's dive into the first requirement, which is for Ultra Babco. This will be for Qatar. This is a free requirement and long-term project. So we're having this interview on 15th September at Little Flower, Kochi. So the positions we are hiring for static equipment engineer, material engineer, turnaround scheduler, instrument engineer, mechanical engineer project, electrical engineer project. We are also hiring for coating inspector, PSV inspector, instrument supervisor, PTW supervisor, logistics supervisor, mechanical technician, statics inspector, field readiness and planning technician. So these are few positions I have, right? Rest position is on your screen. If these positions matches with your current role, please visit our Kochi office, or else you can directly walk into the interview venue. We have a team there. They will assist you in the interview drive. Next is for Ultra Babco Qatar. This will be a dolphin engineer shutdown project. This is a free requirement and we are hiring this numbers in huge. So we're having this interview on 15th September at Little Flower Kochi. The positions are mechanical foreman, mechanical fitter, rigger, hole watcher, fire watcher, heavy transport vehicle driver, light transport vehicle driver, instrument technician and electrician. Candidate with around 5 to 6 turnaround or shutdown maintenance experience in oil and gas refineries, petrochemical plant. Candidate will given preference to be given with the candidate who have worked in dolphin engineering project or ex Dusan or Ultron. So if this matches with your current role, you can simply walk into the interview venue on 15th at Little Flower. Our team will be there. They will assist you in the interview drive. Next is for Abu Dhabi, and the interview will be on 17th September at our Chennai office. So we are hiring for tile all-rounder mason, gypsum carpenter, HVAC technicians, bus drivers, civil foremen, wall painters. The positions along with the salary bracket is on your screen. If this matches with your current role, you can walk into our Chennai office. We have a team there. Just carry your updated resume. This will help them to assess you and they will update you about the interviews. Next is for UAE for their oil and gas long-term project. Final interview will be on 18th September. We have started the shortlisting already. So we are hiring for structural fabricator, pipe fabricator. The salary bracket is on your screen. An interested candidate can submit their profile on the email address given, or else you can walk into our Baroda branch. They will help you in understanding the process of the requirement. Next is for Ultra Babco. The position is similar what we have read earlier, but the interview is in Vizag and the address is on your screen on 19th September. Same, the position is same similar to what we have read. It's mechanical foreman, assistant fitter, hall watcher, fire watcher, PTW coordinator, electrician, and instrument technician. Candidate with 5 years of experience within GCC, 3 to 4 turnaround is required, and the preference will be given to ex Dosan or Ultrad. And rest candidate can walk in at the time of interview. We'll be having a team there. They will help you in having this interview smoothly. Next is again the similar requirement for Ultra Babco. This will be for a liquefied natural gas project. The interview will be at Vizag on 19th September, and the position is similar to what we have read for Kochi. It is static equipment engineer, safety officer, material coordinator, welding inspectors, PSV inspector, instrument supervisor, PTW supervisor, logistics supervisor, data entry operator. So interested candidate walk into our Vizag branch prior to interview. So at the time of interview, your document is ready and you will get a first preference for the interview. Next is for Gulfar Abu Dhabi for their oil and gas pipeline flow line wellhead construction project. We are having this interview on 20th September at Chennai. We are hiring for HSC engineer, road safety officer, safety officer, QCI welders, QCI coating pipeline welding engineer. So interested candidate can just walk in at the time of interview, or else you can submit your profile at seagullch.ua@gmail.com. Based on your profile, our team will get back to you. If it is suitable, they will update you about the interview. Next is for Abu Dhabi Oil and Gas Construction Project. We're having this interview on 15 September at Anuptek Rabale. We are hiring for foreman piping, structural or welder. We are also hiring for welders 6G piping, TIG and arc CS, welders 6G arc, fabricator piping, fabricator structural. We are also hiring for riggers, spray painter, sandblaster, forklift operator, crane operator. So operator, we need UAE license holder. Candidate with GCC experience in oil and gas construction project can apply for this job, or else you can walk into Rabale directly. We having a team there. They will help you in having this interview smoothly. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This will be again a free requirement for the oil and gas construction project. Client interview will be on 17th September at Kushinagar. The clear address is on your screen. We are hiring for foreman piping, structural or welder. We are hiring for fabricators, piping, fabricators, structural, grinder, assistant fabricator or helper. We are also hiring for riggers, spray painters, sandblaster, and as I mentioned, for forklift operator and crane operator, we need UAE holders, a UAE license holder. You can just walk into the address, or else you can submit your profiles at resume1@seagulhr.com. And during the interview, you will get our Seagulls team there. They will help you in having this interview smoothly. Exact similar position for Baroda, and the Baroda address is on your screen, and we're having this interview on 27th of September. So interested candidate can walk in earlier to interview to our Baroda branch for your shortlisting. So at the time of interview, you will get a first preference. Similar positions for 28th September at Surat for SR Engineering. So you can walk into on 28 directly, and you will find a Seagull team. You can contact them directly for the interview process. Okay, so next is for Gulfar for their oil and gas pipeline flow line wellhead construction project. Client interview will be on 25th September at our Mumbai office. We are hiring for senior construction manager, construction engineer, pipeline engineer, and lifting engineer or erection engineer. Interested candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com, or else you can just walk into our head office. We will review your profile. If it is shortlisted, we will give you a call letter for the interview. Next is again for Gulfar, and the additional position for is senior construction manager, planning engineer, senior pipeline engineer, senior piping engineer, construction engineer, quantity surveyor. These are some positions, and we need a specific experience which is on your screen. Interested candidate can just submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com, or else you can walk in at the time of interview on 25th September. A similar position, same company, and the interview will be at Chennai on 28th September. So, interested candidate from Chennai can submit their profile at seagullch.ua@gmail.com. Next is similar for Gulfar only, and the position is exactly same. Senior construction manager, lifting engineer, and erection. So, interested candidate for Chennai can submit their profile at seagullch.ua@gmail.com. Next is for Kuwait for the Equate shutdown project. And this will be a free requirement. And we're having this interview on 23rd September at Seagull Chennai. So clear address is on your screen. We are hiring for supervisor levels, which is reactor, hydrojetting, scaffolding, planner, valve tracker, gate pass coordinator, camp boss, and fire watcher. So we having all these requirement. Apart from this, other position is on your screen. With position, we have also mentioned the numbers we are hiring for and the salary bracket. So if you're interested, you can submit your profile at seagullch.coet@gmail.com. Exact same position for Equid, but this position is open for Kochi also. So we're having this interview on 26th September at Kochi. So your interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkochi@gmail.com. The similar position is open for Mumbai, and the date will be 29 September. An interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkuwait2025@gmail.com. If your profiles are shortlisted, we'll give you a call letter for the interview. Next is for Cyprus, and this will be for a transport operator company with their modern bus fleet. So this will be a free requirement, and we are hiring for electrician and vehicle mechanic. So candidate with the bachelor's in electrical for electricians and for mechanical for mechanic vehicle engineering we are required. Or if you have good experience, we can consider ITI candidate. But there is some technical background we will check. Basically, they should ability to read and interpret electrician diagrams and circuit. And based on this, we will forward your profile to the client. And the interesting part is there will be an technical interview as well as a communication round. So this will be an online interview, and the salary package is attractive. And huge benefit of salary description is on your screen. If you're interested, you can submit your profile at resume.europe@seagulhr.com. If your profiles are shortlisted, we'll get back to you on the details you have mentioned on your resume. Next is for Saudi Arabia for a group of companies, director residents. This will be an immediate departure, and we are hiring for chef. Salary will be around 5,000 to 6,000, and candidate must have a GCC experience or a five-star hotel experience. Interested candidate can submit their profile at resume1@seagulhr.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi for an contracting company for an oil and gas project. This will be an offshore shutdown project, and we are hiring this for free. We are hiring for QAQC inspector, mechanic, and HSC officer. Candidate with EDNOC offshore approved candidate can apply. Ex BOPCO or Dusan will be given a preference. So interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullksa2025@gmail.com. Next is for a similar position, but it is open for Mumbai also. So candidate who are in Mumbai, they can submit their profile at seagullksa2025@gmail.com. Or else you can walk into our head office. We have a team here. They will review your profile. If it is relevant, we'll inform you about the interview date. Next is for Qatar for their short-term project. This will be an client interview, and we are hiring for mobile crane operator. Candidate with the valid Qatar driving license and mobile crane operator certification, that is TUV, BV or equivalent, up to 120 ton capacity with minimum 5 years of experience, operating SAMI, Zoom line, XCMG and similar type of crane in oil and gas industry. So if you have these experience matches with your current role, you can submit your profile at seagullqatar2025@gmail.com. Next is for Saudi Arabia's long-term project. This will be an EPC contracting company, which they are hiring for Aramco oil and gas project. This is a free requirement. We have in this client interview shortly. We have started the shortlisting process, and we are hiring for Aramco approved and CBT qualified. We are looking for QC supervisor welder, QC supervisor mechanic. We are also hiring for QC inspector, PTW, QC inspector mechanic, QC inspector piping, welding, plumbing, and HVAC. Candidate with bachelor degree in engineering in respective discipline with minimum 5 years of experience in EPC, industrial construction, oil and gas, or petrochemical project. Candidate currently working in Saudi with transferable IQAMA can also apply for this job. You can submit your profile at seagullksa2025@gmail.com. And if you are in Mumbai, you can walk into our head office. Next is for Dubai for a modern professional managed auto repair workshop. This will be for a light vehicle. We are hiring for auto electrician cum technician. We are also hiring for service advisor. Candidate can submit their profile at seagullchennai.info@gmail.com. So the next is for Saudi Arabia's Aramco oil and gas project. This is a free requirement, and this will be a long-term project. We're hiring this. Uh, the client interview will be shortly, and we have started the shortlisting process. We are hiring for QC inspector, coating, painting, QC inspectors, mechanical, tanks to inspector. We're also hiring for QC inspector, electrical instrumentation, HVAC, and plumbing. And we need Aramco approved plus CBT for this. Candidate with bachelor degree or diploma in engineering in their respective discipline with minimum 5 years of experience in industrial construction, oil and gas, and petrochemical pipeline installation project. Candidate currently in Saudi Arabia can apply for this job if they have a transferable IQAMA. So interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullksa2025 at the rate gmail.com. So that's it from my side. We have additional requirement which Mr. Dinesh will update you.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, everyone. My name is Dinesh. I'm working as assistant manager in Seagull office. So we can start our live session. ओके सो हमारे पास अभी एक रिक्वायरमेंट है मदीना के लिए ये सॉरी मवानी कंपनी का नाम है और एक क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू होने वाला है 16 17 18 19 सितंबर को मुंबई ऑफिस में हमारे हेड ऑफिस में और हमको स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर चाहिए 100 नंबर्स और असिस्टेंट फैब्रिकेटर चाहिए 50 नंबर्स सैलरी आपको ओवर टाइम भी मिलेगा सैलरी भी अच्छा मिलेगा खाना पीना सब कुछ फ्री है आप दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो या तो फिर हमारे ऑफिस में विजिट कर सकते हो अपना अपडेटेड सीवी रिज्यूम लेके okay for same position for same company and we are looking for structural fabricator and assistant fabricator for Mavani company and the candidate who are staying nearby Chennai Kochi they can visit to our nearest branch they can help you and you can come for the interview same company same category and it's for Vizag whoever's candidate was staying in nearby Vizag they can come to Vizag office with your updated CV and client interview on 17 it's mentioned here 17 September सेम अबानी कंपनी के लिए है जैसे हमने बताया आपको स्ट्रक्चरल फैब्रिकेटर असिस्टेंट फैब्रिकेटर ओवर टाइम भी मिलेगा आपको फ्री फूड अकोमोडेशन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सब कुछ फ्री है आप हमारे नियरेस्ट ब्रांच में विजिट करिए जो कोई आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए या तो फिर दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो और ये कलकत्ता ऑफिस में हमारा इंटरव्यू होने वाला है 18 सितंबर को so we have another opening for Abu Dhabi and we are looking for tile mason gypsum carpenter HVAC technician bus driver civil foreman फर्नीचर कारपेंटर वॉल पेंटर सैलरी भी यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है आप देख सकते हो और क्लाइंट इंटरव्यू जो है वो 17 सितंबर को है सीगल ऑफिस चेन्नई या नंबर पे दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर लीजिए या तो फिर जो मेल आईडी दिया हुआ उस मेल पे आपका सीवी फॉरवर्ड कर दीजिए हमारी टीम आपसे कोऑर्डिनेशन कर लेगी So we have a multiple categories requirement for Kuwait. It's a client interview on 22nd September at Anuptech. Just come with your updated CV and you can call on this given contact number. It's 8976 or you can share your CV, updated CV on a given mail ID. So our team definitely will guide you and you can come directly to for interview same day. Same as informed you earlier, same for Kuwait jobs and its long-term requirement. Client interview on 25th September at Kochi. Please visit to our nearest branch, Kochi office, or you can call on this given contact number. Our team will definitely guide you. We have another opening for Kuwait and this company client interview on 21st September. So we are looking for structural fabricator, tire man, electrical technician, painter, civil painter, and helpers. प्लीज़ आप लोग आपका सीवी सेंड करिए इस मेल आईडी पे या तो फिर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर पे कॉल कीजिए या तो हमारे नियरेस्ट ब्रांच में आप जाके विजिट भी कर सकते हो आपका सीवी लेके अपडेटेड सीवी लेके okay for again we have a same requirement for Kuwait long term project and this is for Kochi. And the interview, it's all the date and timing and location, each and everything is mentioned. Please visit to our nearest branch, Kochi office, or you can call on given contact number. Either you can share your CV on given mail ID. So our team will definitely guide you. Okay, it's for QCon Qatar jobs. So for client interview on 24th September in Kochi, Little Flower. Category is also mentioned here: fabricator, fitters, rigger, technician. So many multiple requirements going on for this QCon Qatar. Please visit to our Kochi office, or you can share your CV, or you can call to us. So for another requirement for KSA, it's a long-term project, and client interview shortly. We'll update you. The interview which will held in date will update you shortly. हमको पाइप फैब्रिकेटर चाहिए और वेल्डर चाहिए, टीके नरक वेल्डर, मल्टी वेल्डर, इलेक्ट्रिकल टेक्नीशियन चाहिए, इंस्ट्रूमेंट टेक्नीशियन चाहिए, स्काफ होल्डर टीयूवी सर्टिफिकेट के साथ में। आप मुंबई ऑफिस में विजिट कर सकते हो या तो फिर इस दिए गए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो। हमारी टीम आपका हेल्प करेगी एंड आपको जो भी सुटेबल इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए हम आपको दे सकते हैं कॉल पे। So this is a new company for Kuwait jobs and long-term project. Client interview will update you. The date will update you shortly, and it is a virtual interview. And we are looking for supervisor, foreman fabrication, foreman preparation, foreman storage, and a foreman casting, foreman steel fixer, and steel multi fabrication steel fixer, and general labor, mechanical helper, mechanical technician, electrical technician, electrician. So please visit our nearest branch, or you can call to us. Will definitely will help you. And the number and mail ID is also given. Thank you from my side. Okay, Saurav Raj, I'm looking for long-term project for planner and mechanical. Saurav, please share your CV on our mail ID. Our team will definitely guide you. Don't worry. We have a requirement for planner and mechanical engineer. Mohammad Arif Ansari, the opening of cost control engineer. I have 10 experience. Mohammad Arif, please share your CV. Our team will guide you. Don't worry. Our HR team is there. They will check your CV, and is there any suitable requirement? We'll definitely guide you. Hari, I'm looking for instrument engineer. Hari, please share your CV. We have a requirement for instrument engineer. We definitely update you and guide you for future requirement. Zakir Hussain, yes, Zakir, we have requirement. Please share your CV, and our team will definitely guide you and help you out. Muhammad Iman, we have storekeeper. Yes, yes, Muhammad Iman, we have requirement for storekeeper. Please share your CV, and we will definitely get in touch with you. सुखविंदर सिंह रिगर। जी हमारे पास रिगर का रिक्वायरमेंट है, रिगरिंग फोरमैन का भी रिक्वायरमेंट है, जिसे मैंने आपको बताया। प्लीज आपका सीवी सेंड कीजिए, हमारी टीम आपको जरूर से कॉल करेगी। मुमताज अली हैवी ड्राइवर, हमारे पास लाइट ड्राइवर और हैवी ड्राइवर दोनों का रिक्वायरमेंट है। आपके पास लाइसेंस है कतार का या कुवैत का या ओमान का, तो प्लीज हमें आप कांटेक्ट करिए, हम आपको डेफिनेटली जॉब दिलवाएंगे। डोंट वरी। मुमताज अली। Karthik, HSC. Yes, Mr. Karthik, we have a requirement for HSC. Just please forward your CV if you have good experience, as you mentioned, 3 years experience. Please share your CV. We definitely will guide you and give you the proper reply. Don't worry. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. A big thank you to Mr. Dinesh for taking us time and joining us today for helping us conducting this session smooth. For those who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is now on your screen, along with the email ID and contact details. Our branches details is on your screen, which is Baroda and Delhi. Their address, email address, and contact details is now on your screen. Vizag, Kolkata, Kochi, and Chennai. So, for those who would like to apply for any job you saw on the requirement drive, you can simply scan the QR code and apply for this job. So, thank you all viewers for joining us today. You can also find branches details, contact details on our website. Also, if you want to apply for any position, just visit the apply now button located at the top right corner where you can upload your CV based on your requirement. At Seagull, we take a pride in having 80 to 90% of candidate approaches directly without any middle person. So stay connected on our social media pages and engage with us directly. Remember, we hold these live sessions every Friday at 3 p.m. We also have sessions in regional languages, so stay tuned for more update. Thank you once again and see you all next week.